Hey everybody, welcome back, Pro Carry Trucker. Got a little bit different video today. I was contacted by a company through email. They got my email through my YouTube channel on the About tab, wanting to send me a product for me to try out and review. Got it today. So let's do an unboxing on it. This is just going to be an unboxing video, nothing else, and then be 2 or 3 more videos, maybe 4 more videos trying it out, and do some videos trying it out, and then I'll do, like I said, 3rd or 4th video will be a final video on what I think of it. Let's get at it here. I got our pack good here. Usually you can pop this open. And just do it the easy way. It was packed good, and it is the bubble wrap packing. Box is actually fairly good box here. Charging cord, and is a micro USB. And we have a flashlight. Not sure if it's getting charged or not. Looks like and absolutely no directions. Yeah, I'm gonna have to charge this puppy up. Seems well made. Okay. That's probably why it wouldn't come on. Came on for a second there. Vast Fire is the name, is the brand of light. There we go. Showing, I'm assuming that's the battery indicator, showing full charge. Pretty bright. Let me shut this off. And echo, hallway light off. Alright, pitch black in here now. Need to figure out how to get that. Trying not to blind y'all. It's got a light here too. I may have to see if I can find online. Had it on a minute ago. How I got that on. Got some weight to it. It does definitely have some weight to it. But there we go. Quick double click. And got the light on the side on, and it's pretty bright. Dim, goes to red, red flashing, off. I'm going to take this thing outside, see what happens outside, see what I can do, what shines, and come in, charge it up, and tomorrow we will do another video on it. Appreciate you watching. Catch you on the next video.